I got some new headphones. Let's open them up. What is up, y'all? Before we get started, remember, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you like the content on my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. All right, guys, let's jump in. So as you can see, I bought the Plantronics BackBeat Fit 6100. Now these are over-the-ear headphones. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box. This is gonna be a quick video, just an unboxing. So it looks like this slides up and out. Nice packaging. You can see where it says PLT. All right. Let's see, lay it on its back. Looks like it's wrapped in black, like tissue paper. PLT sticker on it. And take that off. Peel that sticker off. All right, kind of gives it a little bit of a premium feel, like you're opening a gift. Here's the headphones. Let's go ahead and take them out. Now in the box, you have the headphones, obviously. Set those aside real quick. Some instruction manuals, quick start guides. Pretty sure we can figure it out. And box. Let's see what's in this box. So it comes with the 3.5mm headphone jack. Cool. So you don't have to have a Bluetooth device to use these. You can use a regular headphone jack. And it comes with a micro USB charging cable. Cool. Super short. That will maybe not be useful. Anyways, let's throw that back there. Anything else in the box? Didn't come with a charging brick or anything. No case. That's it. So you get the headphones, headphone jack, charging cable, no power brick. Here's a quick look at the headphones. Nice and soft. Light. Pretty. Breaking them a little bit, huh? A little bit of noise. But I do definitely like the feel of these. We're gonna put these through the tests to see just how effective they are working out and in everyday situations. But I mean, they definitely look premium. On one ear cup, you can see it has all the touch controls. They're labeled so you can know how to use it. And the sticker looks like it just peels right off. There's no physical buttons at all once you peel that sticker off. It looks like just a regular earphone cup. So it looks exactly the same as the other side. That's what they look like. Like I said, we're definitely gonna put these through the tests and I'll come out with the full review on them shortly. So stay tuned for that. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Also check out my WordPress website. I'll put all the links below in the description. Thanks for the support, guys. Remember, if you enjoy my channel, please make sure to subscribe. See y'all next time. Peace.